So here we are in North Macedonia, and look what is behind me, an absolutely stunning landscape. One of the challenges that this landscape and the people here have had is that economic activity has become less and less, and more people have left this area. But now the government has stepped up, has declared this area protected, has enabled that it now connects with its neighbors. There will be a vibrancy around ecotourism, around beekeeping, around agricultural productivity, around wool and cheese making. This is what we have been able to support from the United Nations Environment Programme, with strong support from the Global Environment Facility. The government and the people of this community have been in the lead. And what we see is that biodiversity can work, nature can be conserved, and when we conserve and preserve nature, we're not just doing it for nature's sake, we're doing it for generations to come.